you can translate tweets on your Twitter app. Now, I'll teach you guys how to translate the tweets. But before that, if you're new to our channel, just hit the subscribe button down below and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us start. First, just open up your Twitter and go to your profile on the top right. Top left. After you tap on it, on the bottom you will see settings and support. Expand that and you will see settings and privacy. Just tap on settings and privacy, and right there, if you scroll down a bit, you will see accessibility, display and languages option. Tap on it. Now right there you will see 4 options: accessibility, display and sound, languages and data usage. We'll just have to go to the languages one and tap on recommendations. Now right here you can just expand this to show more. Now whatever languages you choose right here, you will be able to see posts, people and trends in those languages. So make sure that you choose the languages of your preferences and just hit undone, and most of the tweets will get translated to that very language. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.